Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to clear ChatGPT chat history. So you can clear your ChatGPT chat history in a few ways, so depending on what you want to remove. So if you want to delete a single chat, open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Now in the left sidebar, find the conversation, then click or tap the three dots next to the chat or press and hold it on some mobile versions. So click the three dots, then select delete and confirm. Now, if you want to delete all chat history, you can go to the bottom left corner and click your profile or name. Then in here, go to settings. Once you're on settings, on the left menu, look for data controls. Then click on that. Then in here, so look for delete all chats or clear all chats. Then click delete all beside it and click confirm to delete your chat history. So once you confirm that, your chat history will be deleted. Now, to turn off chat history, if it's available, so if you don't want future conversations to appear in your history, you can open settings, then go to data controls, then turn chat history and training off. So this prevents new chats from being saved to your history, though they may still be retained temporarily for safety purposes. You can also export your data in here. You can archive all chats. You can manage it. You can share links. You can turn on location, etc. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.